Pry open the sealing to release the lightning module. Disconnect the original factory wiring harness plug. Prepare the adapter cable included in the product. Transfer the original factory wiring harness. Prepare the wireless signal control box included in the product. Insert the adapter harness plug. Hide the wireless signal control box properly. Reinstall the ceiling light module. Prepare the intelligent shift docking station. Insert the cigarette lighter to power up. Correctly install the docking station.